Hello everyone, welcome to my channel MathTeX by Dhruti. The name is MathTeX, so I'm going to upload mathematics and latex related videos on this channel. So today I'm going to create my first video for latex, and the topic of this video is how to typeset a mathematics question paper using latex. See, use of latex nowadays is really essential for us. So if you don't know latex, this might be the first step to start learning latex. If you know latex but you have not used it for question paper, you may use this draft. So this video is going to helpful to everyone who is interested in latex and want to typeset their question papers in latex. The main emphasis is uh, towards mathematics, but yes, this video is going to helpful for every teacher willing to use latex for their question paper. So let's start. So this is how the text file looks like. In the beginning, this all till begin document is the preamble, and this is the heart of the file. If something is changed here, it may change the output, and it is also possible that you may get errors. So please save this part really carefully, and you may use this preamble for your other text files also. So what we need to do is we need to edit the details in between begin document and end document. The begin document starts from here and end document at the end of the document. So whatever is printed or whatever is written in between begin document and end document will be printed on the output. So we need to add the details in between these two. So I'm going to copy this whole and show you a PDF so that I may highlight the details which you need to edit. So friends, this is the output of the text file which I have shown you right now. Write your college name, you may edit the college name, you may edit the department name, you may edit the name of exam, whether you have mid-sem examination or end semester examination, or we have some class test. Okay, so this is the copy of the text file I shown you. So as I shown you, this is the preamble. We are not going to change this preamble. What we need to change is in between this begin document and end document. So we need to change the college name here. The details I'm highlighting will be changed. You need to replace these details only. Write your college name here. So you need to write your college name, then the name of department, and then the exam name. If you added these details, they will be printed here in this output. Then going ahead, write down the branch name, write down the subject code, write down the subject name and the semester. So the details I'm highlighting will be changed, okay, according to your requirements. Then the exam date, time of exam and total marks for the question paper. Moving ahead, the begin and enumerate, we are not going to change this, but I'm highlighting because begin enumerate and enumerate gives the numbering to the items, right? I'm writing item 1, so it will give you number 1. Then second item will give you number 2, third item will give you number 3, and you may change the instructions here. Like I have written instruction 1, you may write all the questions are mandatory, whatever instruction you want to add, you may add it here. Then questions. Question 1, fill in the blanks, you may change the title also. H fill will print the details on the right end of the line. So write total marks for the question. This will print the total marks on the right end of the line. Then again begin enumerate for the numbering of the questions. First question slash item question 1 slash item question 2. Okay, and then we may move ahead. Friends, I have inserted all possible requirements for the questions, like if you want to write f is a function from R to R, so you may write f from R, right arrow R. Only one thing we need to keep in mind, that everything in math form should be written in between $2. In the starting, you need to add a dollar, and then at the end. Okay, so x square, if I want to write power x square, x head 2 will print x square. Then this is also you need to understand. Begin one para choices and one para choices will give you options like choice 1, choice 2, option 1, option 2. Let's see the output here. See, it is option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, A, B, C, D. By default taking A, B, C, D. So these are the choices. Then question 2, I have inserted one limit question also. Limits n tends to infinity. See, the question is here. Limit n tends to infinity. So slash lim will print limit. Slash limit, this underscore will print the limit just below lim. Okay. So n tends to infinity, slash infinity for the infinity, then one para choice, and then go ahead. So I have inserted most of the possible requirements for typesetting mathematics. Over line AB will give you line segment AB, the notation for line segment AB, you can see that. Then slash frac. Slash frac will come with two curly brackets. Slash frac, first curly bracket for the numerator and second curly bracket for the denominator. See, d by dx. We need to write d by dx, right? D by dx. So it is slash frac d and dx, then sign function, then choices. Slash int will print the integration sign. You can see that integration, right? Then if I want to write integration with limits, the slash int limits underscore for the lower limit and head for the upper limit. So this is all about the multiple choice questions. Then question 2, write the title here. If you want to write do as director, whatever the title you want, you may insert it here. Then total marks for the questions. Again enumerate for numbering of the question. Slash item for first question, slash item for second question. For each question we need to write slash item. And then you're good to go. I have inserted one table also. See, it's a table in question 2. So let's see how to insert a table. We need to start the table, begin table, and end the table. Then begin tabular to give the columns, that how many columns are required. So there are 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then horizontal line. See, we need 3 horizontal lines, 1, 2, and 3. So the horizontal line in the beginning, then first row, then backslash for to go to the second row, horizontal line, details in the second row. See, x and 1. So x will be printed in the first cell, 1 will be printed in the second cell, and so on. So this and is mandatory, and in between the values is mandatory. Then end tabular, and your table will be printed. So let's see the final output here. Friend, these CO details are nowadays mandatory, so I have inserted them. If you don't want, you may omit them. I will show you that how to omit these details. So you may need to write the numbers here, like question 1 is for CO1, so we will write 1 here. So let's see. See, at the end of each question, I have inserted slash hfill again for the right end, hfill and CO. So we will write the CO number here. If we want to omit this, then I will show you the text file again, so that how to omit these details. If I need to see in the second question, I have not inserted any CO details. So I need to write hfill CO detail here, so it will be printed here. Let me show you the text file so that you may understand that how to insert the details and how to omit the details. So suppose I don't want this CO detail here. So I will put one percentage mark and this line will be omitted from the document. It's super easy. If you want to omit any of the details, you just need to add a percentage mark before that line. That's it. If I want to add some CO detail, like if for question 2, as I told you, so I will copy this CO and I will add it after any of the question, so it will be printed on the after that question, right? So it's super easy to add, enter or omit some lines from your document. You just need to add one percentage mark before every line which you need to omit. That's it. So we saw that how easy it is to typeset a question paper using LaTeX. If you want this draft, feel free to contact me. I will share the text file and you may use it for your question paper. Now talking about my upcoming video. So friends, nowadays we used to conduct exams online using Google Forms, and it is really tough to insert the mathematical expressions in Google Form. So what generally we used to do, we type the equation in Word file and then convert into JPG and upload that. So I'm in the next video I'm going to show a easy technique, a really easy technique to insert mathematical expressions in Google Form. So stay tuned with MathTeX by Dhruti. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to the channel so that you may get notifications of my upcoming videos.